right now I have decided to hang them up in my bathroom because there is the only space where I have a hanging thing. So yeah, for now they will stay here, and after that I will show you exactly. One will go in a basket and one will go in a glass vase. You will see exactly which one and how exactly I will proceed about that. By the way, here I have some very interesting things. These are plastic plants actually, but I think they look kind of wildish. And my bathroom is very bright. I will show you. Here I have some orchids. So here I have some Masdevallias. Here is the Nelly Eiler, which I am saving, Miltoniopsis. That is Miltonidium, again Miltoniopsis, and here I put the Masdevallia Ignea, yeah. So, alright guys, now I will say bye for real. See you next time.